So welcome to Hube's Reviews, and today we're going to be having a look at the £1 million indoor karting venue at Teamsport in Coventry in Warwickshire. What a fantastic venue, what a beautiful complex. You always know what you're going to get with Teamsports, but I believe that this time they have truly outdone themselves. The minute that you walk through the door, it hits you in the face that this is a posh karting venue. So here we are at Teamsport in Coventry, located very close to the Tile Hill train station. It's approximately a 15-minute walk from there. Now as you go into the lobby, you feel like you're entering a country club, like you're just about to book yourself in for a 1-week stay at the Ritz. Teamsport have ploughed in approximately £1 million to this karting complex. It's absolutely gorgeous, it's breathtaking. It might not look much from the outside, but once you step in, you know you're at a really nice track. Plenty of state-of-the-art lockers, dressing rooms are really clean, and this is the bar area. Again, this is one of the biggest bar areas I've been into regarding a karting track. Absolutely beautiful. The karting track is 500 metre circuit, multi-level. Karts are running Biz NG1s, 200cc, 40 mile an hour. So your typical rental karts. Now as an experienced karter, I really enjoyed this track. It's technically brilliant. Coventry has 5 very different hairpin bends, each with their own unique racing line. You just can't attack them all the same way, because what you'll find is you'll end up bogging down the kart or drifting too wide. Now even as an experienced karter, it took me 2 sessions to really get a good handle of this track. It is so technically challenging. And the track also has a swoop that demands the perfect racing line, or you will oversteer. Now this is the problem when you have novice or beginner go-karters. They don't know how a racing line works, they don't know how braking points work. So what ends up happening is they end up becoming hazardous for everybody else on the track. So what did I like about Teamsport Coventry? Well, I really love the venue. I love the complex. I love the aesthetics of the place. You don't feel like you're in a warehouse in the middle of Tile Hill. Another thing I liked was the complexity of the track. It was very challenging, and I felt like I was having to push myself to the limits. However, also on the flip side of that, this circuit may be too complex for a novice go-karter. So like I mentioned earlier, that unfortunately with the 5 different hairpins all having unique racing lines, I think it may be too complex for a beginner karter. They start therefore becoming hazardous to other drivers on track. Maybe they need to separate the experienced karter from the novice go-karter and do sessions just for each and other. Another thing that bothered me, and I'm seeing this quite often now, is these circuits are too short-staffed. All the people are being marshals on the track, and yet there's no one there for meet and greet. And this I don't enjoy walking into a place and there's nobody there. I want to be greeted. I want to be signed in correctly. I got to the bar area and there was no one in the bar area either. So it's really difficult. Do I give it an 8 out of 10 because I enjoyed the track and I enjoyed the venue? Or do I give it a 7 out of 10 because there are those flaws there? I'm going to give it a 7.5. I know this is a cop-out because I really enjoyed the circuit, but I also see that there's areas that need to be improved.
The crossover time was really good. The session that was before us only overrun by about 5 minutes, so the wait time was only about 5 minutes before. The wait time was only 5 minutes after when we was due to go on to track. And I know some team sport venues you could be waiting in excess of 25-30 minutes. So I really like that about Coventry. It didn't seem as if there was many karters on track. I've known other team sport venues, they've tried to cram in as many people as possible without actually going, no, we can't take any more. So 7.5 out of 10 for Team Sport Coventry. Definitely worth checking out if you're an experienced karter. All the details are in the descriptions below. Please check them out. And also remember to hit like and subscribe for future karting content. Reviews, hot laps and general karting videos. I've been Martin Hughes. This has been Hughes Reviews. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you again soon. Take care.